Guess who's back? It's me again, okay? You guys, I was so worried that I'm going to actually do 2 more examples with you, okay? Because they're a little strange, so I'm going to show you those. I'm so worried about you while I'm gone, because even when I'm enjoying my stroll around Madrid, Sevilla, and Malaga, and enjoying the Picasso, all right, I'm still thinking of you. Okay, so you guys, go back to this worksheet here. I'm going to go over number 18 and 12. 18 and 12 are kind of strange. I'm sorry, 8 and 12, okay? But it's not, I mean, it just looks scary, but it's actually not so scary. But I want to go over those with you, okay? You ready? So you guys, let's do this, all right? So let's go to number 8. I'm going to write it here, okay? Number 8 looks like this. Tangent, you already have it in front of you, right? Of half minus cosine inverse of negative half, okay? All right, let's do these. So you guys, you're thinking about, remember, composition is always in to out. So you're thinking, okay, let me just compute those first. Those are ratios, so you're producing an angle. So you guys, think now, okay? Where is sine 1/2? And you remember, always think of the range. It's from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Cosine is going to be from 0 to pi. Where is it negative? It's here. Where is it positive? It's here. So always keep that in mind, okay? That means it's going to be pi over 6, right? That's where it's sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. Minus, where is the cosine half? It's going to be, you got it, it's going to be 2 pi over 3, right? 2 pi over 3, because cosine of 2 pi over 3 is equal to negative 1/2. It's 2 pi over 3 here. And when you actually subtract that, you get tangent of negative pi over 2. And remember, tangent is where? It's from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So what is tangent of negative pi over 2? It's right here, which is going to be undefined. So your answer is that. Right? Okay? All right, so make sure you understand that and ask each other if you don't, okay? But you remember, I'm landing here, that's why it's undefined. Because this guy is 0, negative 1, so it's sine over cosine, which is undefined. All right, let's go to number 12. If you didn't understand that, watch it again or ask each other. Cosine arc, cosine of pi. All right. Now, you remember, this guy, he's a ratio. This guy is a ratio. I'm going to produce an angle, right? So I'm asking myself this question, right? Cosine of what angle gives me pi? What? You guys, you all know that cosine, the range is from what to what? Negative 1 to 1. When you graph cosine, right? Think about it. When you graph cosine, what's the maximum value that it goes up to? It's up to 1 and negative 1. So how could it be a pi? That's impossible. Impossible. So this is actually out of its range, right, guys? This is out of its range, okay? Make sure you understand that's kind of, it's a little tricky one. You know this guy, the range is going to be negative 1 to 1. But it's saying to us that it's actually a 3.14. That's impossible. There's no angle that will produce a pi, a 3.14. That's why this problem you don't even have to do. It's undefined all the way. Okay? These are the most tricky cases, but try it all, okay, guys? All right, I'm really done. Bye. See you Thursday.